Anaya, Serena,
and Marley.
And we are gonna make some gingerbread cookies. So here's what's in here. In the gingerbread cookies. There are 8 pre-baked gingerbread cookies, white ready-to-use frosting, candy trims and fondant, apple-flavored green fondant, cherry-flavored red fondant, mini multicolored candies.
Are you ready to make some gingerbread cookies? Say, I'm Sky. For those that don't know, you want to make cookies? Okay. All right, so this is the box that we got the girls to do the gingerbread cookie kit. It's by Wilton. We got it from the Bel Air grocery store. It was in there. It was about $11. So we're opening it up now. Comes with 8 cookies, so each kid will get 4 cookies. Can you guys help me pull some of this stuff out, please?
Yeah.
Gently, or you're gonna break the cookies. So here's the cookies. They're big size.
I got it.
You guys can see. We're gonna pull them all the way out, but they're nice size cookies. I'm gonna put everything out right here, Rena. Here's the little frosting bags.
What is this?
And here's the candies. That's the fondant. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything set out for them. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. All right, so we have everything laid out. The girls each get 2 cookies, and they already come individually packed in 2, so that's pretty good. I like that idea.
Brother and sister.
Yeah, so they each get to do 2.
Yeah, I'll make a boy.
I split up the fondant. So they have their fondant there. They get a red and a green color. It came with these little candies right here, and then a white frosting pack. So they're gonna do. Look at her over there. We're gonna decorate it, okay? You're already eating it. Hold on, okay? You're gonna decorate, and you're just eating them both at the same time. Hold on, we're gonna decorate them, okay? Don't you want to decorate it with frosting and make it pretty?
No.
Yeah, you do. Okay, hold on. All right, girls, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna put the frosting and
These smell like
then they can move the frosting around. I'll show you guys after I do that part.
You're gonna.
All right, girls, let's get to making some gingerbread.
Can I just do it like that?
Yeah.
And then this will be for designs.
I don't know how to make hair.
You could use the back, like how she said, just the back of it.
Like this. See, look.
Just do it. You have your fondant too. This is like a epic fail trying to do this with her. She doesn't really want me to help her. You put it on the cookie, okay? Okay, now put it on the cookie. Put your frosting on the cookie. Good job. Yay. Decorate your cookie, okay? All right, girls, let's make those gingerbread look cute.
Look, I'm doing colorful buttons.
Oh. You can't have those. You can't have the hard candies, okay? Look, let me show you how you can do your fondant, though. Good job. What you doing over there, Mar? Making hair?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm making also.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, you see it? It's an eye.
Eyes.
Yes. Look. Ooh.
Oh, Mommy, I still need frosting.
Okay. I'll get you some more things. All right, so Serena got her more. Oh, is it fun? Okay, finish. You got to decorate your cookies. Yeah. Look, you could even do like, you took a bite of your fondant?
I want to try my fondant.
Good.
Try one.
Your cookie, your stuff. Is it good?
Sweet.
What's it taste like?
Sweet. Sweet like candy. Ah!
What happened?
I made her eye. Look, you like it?
Yeah.
And now, can we make him a
The green
mouth?
one's nasty. What's it taste like?
Mommy?
Huh?
Mama.
Can you not get me dirty, please?
Tastes like green apple.
Ah!
Green apple. Tastes like green apple. No. What's it
Good.
taste like? Huh?
He has a face.
Then why do you not like it? Nothing is actually. Red one's good.
You like it?
It's cherry.
Okay. You having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Are you decorating it? Put it on. Okay, now put it on the gingerbread. No! She's
Yeah, the
just
red one's better.
grubbing on frosting, guys. Can you put it on your gingerbread? You have to decorate your gingerbread, okay? What?
The green is disgusting.
It's nasty. Oh, don't put it on there then.
I already did.
Oh, it's fine. You don't have, it might be good with the cookie though.
That makes sense.
Just might not be good by itself. That's cute, Rena.
I know.
That's
Look at
really
mine.
cute. You're being creative. Good job. You guys are doing really good.
Look, this is the fondant, and watch what I'm gonna do.
Okay. Oh, good job.
See, like a little button on his shoe.
Yeah. No, what are you doing over here? Are you just eating?
Daddy.
You want to taste it? Taste it.
Look at her pattern on her hand.
That's good?
It's not good.
So nice. He likes it. It's yummy? Okay.
What?
Alright,
What's not good? The green.
Would you like to go on and eat your cookie? Oh, you can eat the cookie too. Oh, is it good?
Oh, that's how you made the ice.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. You can make it in a different way with frosting and
make it
like frosting
Oh.
and then with the little candy balls. That's the only thing that makes the candy balls stick.
Yeah, that's the red
thing
one.
that makes the candy balls stick.
Taste
Wow,
it.
you put lots of whipped cream.
You want to bite it?
This is
Bite a little piece.
Okay. Okay.
Slow down. Is it good? You need help? Is it too much?
She's already eating her gingerbread.
You already ate. You ain't spit nothing in my mouth.
Thing.
Is something in there? You're chewing on something? No? Okay. You ate it. Why are you still chewing though? Is it good? You alright? You need me to take it?
Look, Mommy.
You want to give it to
Look
me?
at his top button.
Okay, let me see.
'Cause
Whoa.
there's lots of frosting.
Fancy.
Yeah, he's fancy. Oh, look, she made
Ooh,
Elsa.
Good job.
Okay, Elsa.
You made Elsa too? Ooh, good job. Rena's done. Look at her. She said she made a girl and a boy.
This is my girl, this is my boy.
Oh, okay. Now you got to do the taste test. How does it taste?
Which five should I eat first?
The candy.
The leg. Can you eat all that? That was a pretty big bite. Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. Is the green better with the cookie?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I told you.
Tastes
Okay.
like,
Naya's done now too. All right, Naya.
taste my boy.
Wait, let me see him. Let me see him.
Oh.
Look at
Okay,
mine.
so she did a boy and a girl. Hold on, Mama, come around.
Are you
Okay,
done?
so.
No.
Okay,
Then
yeah.
don't show it yet.
Okay, so there's Naya's. Good job. All right, now you gotta do the taste test.
Okay. Riley's not done yet.
Okay. Oh, you took a big bite too. It's hard, yeah, but they're good.
I have to eat this all in one day?
You can put it in a baggie and save.
Cake.
Is it good? You got, that's what I like. Oh, you want to show yours? Okay.
Cake.
Okay.
Cake.
Is it good?
Cake.
Bite it.
Cake.
You want me to bite it?
Cake. Cake.
Me?
Papa.
You make a good cookie.
Wow.
You're done?
This is not.
Yeah, she ate a lot. She ate on this one. She nibbled on that
Okay,
head.
guys, now try to
She
time
ate
my
all
boy.
her
Try to
frosting. Are you gonna try your boy now? Okay. Is it good?
Now they're both the same.
They're both missing a leg.
Two broken legs.
All right, enjoy that.
Now I look at mine.
Mars done now. Look at these
You gotta get
cute gingerbread people. Good
This is my
job.
boy.
That's your boy.
This is my girl.
And that's your girl.
That's Elsa.
Oh, that's Elsa. Oh, good job. Okay, you gotta taste the bite.
Taste.
Okay. Is it good? Good job. Was this fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Bye. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, please watch some more of our videos and please subscribe.